Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Dee! And Merry Christmas to our listeners.
Maligayang Pasko na mamasko po sa inyong lahat.
Okay na ba ang lahat? Alright! Nag-enjoy na ba kayo ng Christmas holidays and break nyo?
Yeah,
Ikaw?
lalabas to Christmas Day or like day after Christmas. So, sana nakakain kayo ng
Or
maraming
kumakain kayo
lechon.
na? Sana punong-puno ang inyong mga tummies ng lahat ng pagkain na
Yeah.
gusto nyo for that day. And I might be in the Philippines.
Oh,
And
right.
you're in Germany.
I will be in Portugal.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
This episode is what? What are we focusing on?
We're
sa episode
talking
na to?
about Christmas this episode and how is the Christmas in Germany and also in the Philippines.
And what, like, similarities, we'll say similarities, and the differences.
Yeah.
For sure. Malaki-laki yan. So, let's start. First, let's talk about Christmas markets.
Christmas markets, my
I-
favorite thing.
I actually love Christmas markets. Like in Germany, like I think this is the main thing that I look forward to.
Same.
Pag winter.
Yeah.
Parang pag after nito, hindi ko na alam eh.
Hindi na natin kaya.
Yes. So for that like span of a month
Yeah.
or 5 weeks, we really try to visit Christmas markets.
Yes.
What's your favorite?
Christmas markets in Berlin lang. Yung
In Berlin,
favorite
let's
ko.
say in Berlin.
I have two or three that comes to mind. So first one is the Humboldt Forum.
Oh yeah, that one.
It's so pretty and
I think this is the newest, like newly opened, no?
I think 2 years ago.
2 years ago, they did open. That's really nice. Like I think they took some time to really design it.
Yeah, malinis.
Malinis, true, and it's free. Because some
It's
Christmas
free, yeah.
markets, like yung sa Gendarmenmarkt, they charge, I don't know now how much.
5? No,
5
2?
euros? Okay, for entrance. And that's nice. And that's one of my favorites also.
Yeah, and my other one is Lucia here in Prenzlauer Berg.
Yeah, it's the
It's
Scandi.
our neighborhood. It's the Scandi Christmas market. So everything Scandinavian, like Northern Europe.
Yeah,
Tama
I think
ba?
they have like some other offerings na wala din sa ibang Christmas market. Like, oh my gosh, I forgot goba something. But it's another drink.
Yeah,
It's
hindi
also
siya
similar
Glühwein.
na, hindi siya glühwein, but also it's small. I think I like it because
Yeah.
it's not as busy as the other Christmas markets.
It can get busy, pero it's still small and it's like, I think for us party the like 20 minutes away by foot
oo.
sa bahay.
So, kayang-kaya natin
so,
yan.
kayang-kayang
Lakarin.
mamasyal.
Yeah.
And
I also like the one at like Schloss Charlottenburg. I've
Oh my
always found that
God,
very
right.
pretty.
is it still open?
It's still open, but I haven't been like for years
Years.
now. But
Ako
I
din.
remember ang ganda ng layout niya din and all.
Yeah, parang years na ako hindi nakapunta.
Maybe you should check it out.
Yeah, because we used to live in that area. So, madali for us to go. Pero ngayon, since ang layo niya from us, hindi ko talaga siya dinadayo. But yeah, maybe we should visit one of these days,
One
next
of
few
these
days.
yeah, and then maybe show them sa ating IG page.
Yes.
These Christmas markets that we're talking about.
Yeah. Yung isa pang favorite ko is yung nasa Zoologischer Garten.
Oh, I
Pero
haven't
ano
been
siya,
there.
everybody knows it. It's very common, like very touristy. Pero I don't know, it's nice. Maganda yung vibes niya.
Well, talking about touristy, there's this one not the one na right by Alexanderplatz. It's the one by the
Yung sa may
what do you call
Rotes
that?
Rathaus.
Yeah, the Rotes Rathaus one kasi merong effect na si
Ferris wheel.
Santa.
Yun ba
Aside
yun?
from that, si Santa Claus, mababa. Inaano siya ng mga reindeer. So, nung nakita ko yun, this is great. Samantalang anak ko, okay ma'am, parang wala yung effect sa kanya kasi ang ganda, cute siya. As in, it's going, ando si Santa,
Parang hindi
hinihila
pa ako
ng mga
nakapunta dun,
cute
to be
siya.
honest.
Try mo. Tsaka
Okay.
masarap dun yung hand broth. Something that's one of the hand broth is
What
like
is
yung
that?
warm bread. And then there's like cheese inside. Yun lang, syempre, kailangan mo siyang kainin agad kasi ang lamig.
Kasi titigas yung
Titigas
broth.
din. By 5, 6, 7 euros. I don't know how much it is
Right.
now.
But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I know marami nang open at this time. So, it's really, really exciting. And highlight talaga siya ng Christmas or like winter season.
Yeah, it's a highlight. And Glühwein.
Nawawala
Like
yung
hot
seasonal
mulled wine.
depression.
Yeah. At least for a month.
At least for a
Huwag ka
month.
mag-alala, babalik yan.
Wala
Pag
tayong
nagsara na, wala kang kawala, girl.
Pag nagsara na sila ng end of December, wala na. Balik na
Oo.
ulit tayo sa
Diyos ko, January.
state of depression.
January pa talaga, beginning of the year. But, yeah, I could say na I also really enjoy the Christmas season here.
Yeah.
I love yung pagiging cozy talaga.
Right.
At home. Diba? Iba yung
Candles.
Oo, totoo. Yung may lamig portion. Then,
Oo.
meron kang hot drink, chocolate
Yeah.
with marshmallows. Totoo pala yun. Yung
Totoo
mga nasa
pala.
movie.
Very Hallmark movie.
I know, right?
Wala kasi ganun sa Pilipinas.
Try mo, girl. Ang init at 32 degrees, diba? Sa bagay, may mga aircon
May
naman.
aircon
yung
naman
iba
tayo.
pa.
Grabe ka naman.
Pero, iniisip ko pa lang, talaga ba? Init-init. Magre-report back ako. Total, andun
Alam mo,
naman
gawin
ako.
mo.
Try ko yan.
Try
Baka
mo.
bigla akong pawis-pawis doon. But, anyway, yeah, going back, maganda talaga. I mean, I started to also appreciate Christmas season in Germany.
Yeah.
I used to think na parang, nami-miss ko talaga yung
Iba naman kasi
iba
ang
naman
Paskong
yung Pinoy
Pilipino.
vibe talaga.
Yeah.
Fiesta.
Ibang vibes ng Pilipinas Pasko. I mean, andun talaga like the joy. Feel mo yung joy ng everybody. Dito kasi sakto lang. May joy, pero sakto lang.
Oo. Talagang hahanapin mo, today may joy ako.
Oo. Today,
Bukas-
i-decide mo.
Oo. Sa Pilipinas,
Sa Pilipinas,
non-stop talaga.
like, andun, everybody's there. Like, your friends, your family, loved ones. And, grabe yung Christmas spirit. Like, giving of gifts.
Grabe talaga yun.
Yung mga paletsyon, parang everyday may lechon kahit hindi pa
Oo.
Pasko.
Hello,
May ganon.
acid reflux. Acid reflux waving.
Yes. Dito kasi hindi, like, iba talaga. Like, mas calm, I would say, and chill. I mean, it's still fun. Like, fun Christmas market, or, malls, seeing the lights. Pero, siguro nga kasi Pilipino pa rin tayo.
Oo naman. No, ako naman, since I also have this yung German culture talaga because of like my husband. When we celebrate Christmas, I actually, yun nga, as I said, appreciate the calm that goes with it, because at first, parang sabi ko, oh my God, masyado naman yatang tahimik. Kasi for Christmas, di ba, kailangan yung di na kayo nagkakarinigan.
Oo.
In the sense, pasa mo yung ganyang
Oo,
kinaming food,
totoo.
light your flan, let's do this. Pero noon, parang sabi ko, so eto talaga yung silent night, holy night,
Holy night.
let's go. Imagine me, noon parang sabi ko, ang ano nito, masyado siyang,
Calm.
masyado
Silent
calm to
night
a point. Oo, pero, yeah, I think, we try to go back to the Philippines as often as we can, especially with our kid, because, Christmas is for kids. As they say, and also for adults, depende kung gaano ka kapagod na mag-prepare for Christmas.
Yeah.
But overall, the vibe is very different, like party every day.
Do you go home every year for Christmas?
Not really. I think the last time we were home for Christmas was 3 years back, 2022.
Oh, wow.
But we go home every year. So that's another
Just
thing.
not Christmas.
Just not Christmas kasi mahal talaga. But
That's true, yeah.
we make it a point to show our kid din na, eto yung difference. Ang laki, di ba?
Yeah. Ang laki, di ba? Mas masaya, di ba?
No, but food-wise, what can you say? Namimiss mo
Girl.
ba talaga, like, ang Pinoy party food and,
I mean,
like,
it's not something I cannot cook here. kaya naman kasi, syempre hindi lang ako mag-iikot ng lechon.
Diba? Parang sila kasi sabihin na, okay, party tayo, pero
And
wala yung ganap na
I
ikaw.
think yung biggest difference is here, ako lahat. Like, I will cook, I will do the grocery, ako rin maglilinis ng bahay, like, maghuhugas ng pinggan. Sa Pilipinas kasi, like,
Alright, host ka pa.
diba sa Pilipinas, like, pwede ka may tawagan, magpa-cater ka, or alam mo, may pa-deliver, or minsan mayaya, or like helpers that they can help you with preparation and all of that stuff. Dito, yun talaga, I mean, for me, girl, ang hirap gumawa ng lechon.
Diyos ko, last year nag-leche flan ako, inabot ako na madaling araw. Hindi ko ma-perfect, please. Hirap na hirap ako, another thing, I realized, mas masarap nga mag-prepare ng food kapag may kachika. So, last year ulit, nagbabalot ako ng lumpia. Sabi ko, parang hindi pala siya as fun without yung kachika mo habang nagbabalot. Kasi parang,
Sipag mo.
took me a while. O, napagod ako. Tinapos ko muna yung isang part. The next, bukas ka na.
Oo, hindi talaga. Ang pinakamasarap, yung hindi ikaw yung nagluto. Sa
I
totoo
know.
lang.
Diba? Yun naman talaga yung nakakamiss kasi lahat ikaw gagawa.
Yeah.
But we celebrate with our friends here also. So we have what can I say? A slice of home.
Yeah. A piece of home. Yes.
And talaga namang we celebrate and have Pinoy food also.
Yeah, we celebrate with Pinoy food talaga. Like, kung ano man maisip natin. But it's really Pinoy food. Hindi siya like German food na duck or potatoes. Hindi gano'n.
We have that. That's the thing. We have that.
Kanin tayo.
Oo. Ilabas nyo yan. Yung mga carbs na yan.
Yeah, but yun last time ako was just last year for December. And nakakamiss talaga yung...
Umuwi ka ba? Hindi ko maalala, gosh.
We did. And it was super fun. Like, seeing all the relatives and my cousins and all of that. Pero yun nga, nakakapagod siya. For me, yun talaga yung, hindi ako umuwi every year for Christmas, like every 2 or 3 years. One, kasi ang gastos. Ang mahal ng ticket umuwi. And also, you have to buy gifts for everybody. Nasanay ako dito na I only buy gifts for like 10 people, like max 20 people. Sa Pilipinas, you have to buy gifts for like 50 people, plus inaanak. You know?
True.
And, I don't know, I think, may pagod din. The other thing yun yan, like, nakakapagod siya kasi every day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, may imi-meet ka.
That's true. And also, other than that, hindi na rin siguro tayo sanay sa ganun kadaming parties.
Yeah.
Like yung back to back to back plus traffic.
Yeah.
You know, like now, since celebrating Christmas a few years back and also like now doing it again, I've made it a point to not meet people during the Christmas rush. Hindi ko na rin kaya. Katandaan,
Wow.
girl. At 40.
Trentahin. Ay, di na pala.
Ikaw lang yung
Lumagpas.
trentahin. Ang tita mo andito, 40. Ako na ang magsasabi, tumaba ka ngayon. Ready na ako.
Ready ka na.
Ready na sa mga linyahan.
Alam mo yung namimiss ko?
Sa masabihan nun?
Hindi. Girl. Hindi. Yung company Christmas parties.
Gusto mo magsayaw.
Like
Gusto mo pasayawin ka. Yun lang
Hindi.
pala.
Actually, 13th month pay.
Hindi yun uso here.
Hindi. Walang ganun here. And wala rin masyadong Christmas performance party. Or like yung mga paraffol, ganun.
True. Iniisip ko tuloy the last Christmas parties that I went to. Inuman lang din talaga sila. Although, that's probably
That's
our
a
company
culture. Yeah.
company culture, but wala nga nung masyadong
Pag-games.
entertainment or
Wala.
mga showtime
Alright.
walang, alright, you're next. Walang ganun.
Oo, wala. So,
Yeah.
nakakamiss din siya. And it's been 8 years, I think, since I've had that, like, cute company culture. But, yeah.
Mamimiss mo din pala yun.
Nakakamiss
ma-pressure
pala
na-
siya.
Ma-pressure na pasayawin ka. or
Yung
so.
pressure.
Parang wala naman pressure sa akin. Nung pag ako naman parang ready.
Ready, go. Sayaw
Oo
lang.
nga. Ano pa ba? Other Christmas stuff. Oh, but that's the thing. We don't have Christmas markets na parang similar here.
Right.
Kasi what we have
Ang
there,
init,
yung
girl.
hindi, mga night markets.
Oo. Ano
That's
tawag doon?
Mga bangket. Bangketa ba, no?
Bancheta?
Bancheta ba? Anyway, please let us know the right term. Nakalimutan namin. Yeah, but Bancheto.
Bancheto.
Yeah,
Bangketa.
Banchetto. Pero food din, but
Food.
different.
I mean,
oo.
iinom ka ba ng Glühwein sa Pilipinas? Sa totoo lang, ang init.
Oo,
Parang,
totoo.
no thanks.
Pero meron din sa, I remember sa Green Hills, they have this kind of CDO display. It's a different one.
Alright.
But they're also selling a lot of stuff. Like shopping din yun yung night market. I love that also.
Ako din, yung outdoor, yung nasa parking lot ng
kain
Green
din.
Hills.
Barbecue talagang, wow.
Oo.
In fairness, yun talaga. Yeah, that's one thing.
Yeah. I love Green Hills in Christmas.
I love Green Hills, period.
Period. Ang saya
Yeah.
ng pa-display. I think
Oo.
yun din yung nice sa Pilipinas. I mean,
The
bukod
lights,
sa
please, let's
nagsisimula
focus
siya
on that.
ng
Oo.
September, yung lights. And yun nga, feel mo yung Christmas spirit talaga.
Oo, ang daming ilaw talaga kasi maybe we can also share that like with our listeners. Yung ilaw at least sa Berlin. Diyos ko,
Hindi mailaw.
Hindi siya mailaw. Eto na to. Meron na, okay, may effort
Meron.
naman
Yeah.
during like Christmas season. Pero once it's done where it's really dark.
Ang dilim.
Oo.
Guys, ang dilim talaga. It's giving.
It's giving ka din.
Voldemort. Gano.
The Dementors are here.
Oo.
Yeah, but those are some of the things. No? Makikita mo talaga big differences. But I could say na I've learned to appreciate it. Sometimes nga, last year, I think I was actually happy na I didn't have to go home. Because also, at the same time, I think I need this kind of break. You know, kasi in
Silent night.
oh, like also in here, 'di ba, sa at least with our company talagang medyo quiet na yung activities like pag December. So you
True.
really see na may time for everyone to kind of just not, I wouldn't say relax, but
Yeah.
wind down slowly.
down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good period na mag-rest. Kasi dito, if you're here during Christmas, syempre, medyo may FOMO ka na sa mga nasa Pilipinas or
Huwag ka na lang mag-IG
huwag
na.
ka na mag-Facebook or
Oo.
IG. Kasi nga, mamimiss mo talaga everyone. But also, yun nga, the other side of it is, it's calm, it's peaceful. Pwede kang mag-journal and you write your resolutions for the next year or like reflections na napakahaba for 2025.
I would just say reflections. Parang wala naman akong resolution na talagang tinuloy-tuloy. But, yeah, it's good to reflect.
Yeah. Anong
About the
reflections mo for the year?
Oh
since
my God, a lot.
It's end of 2025.
2025, I think the best thing that I've done this year is like living life intentionally. And with that, I
Right.
say like all the decisions I made this year are particularly for like what really makes me happy. And that's not something I take lightly because sometimes nagigilty ako parang, oh, today, ito i-choose ko. Na parang, kasi it makes me happy, pero at the back of my head, oh my God, baka maapektuhan si ganito, ganyan. But now I'm just like, okay, I'll do it this way because I'm happy about my decision. And I think that's the best thing I've learned for myself. How about you?
God, ang daming lessons for 2025 for me. I think, ibang tao ako nung January. Sa ngayong December.
Oh, German ka na.
German na ako. I think, ganun din, like, living with intention. But also, this year, being brave to pursue stuff creatively.
Oh, yes.
Kasi I think I really pushed myself, not naman super, pero, been experimenting with a lot of things creatively. And siguro it comes with like burnout as well and not having a job now. So I have more capacity, mental capacity to
And
time to do whatever I want and being okay with that because I know it's a privilege na to be able to do that kasi not everybody can make their dreams happen. It takes time, it takes energy and effort.
Lalo na now, talagang energy.
Energy.
Need natin yan, di ba?
Correct. Kailangan ng vitamin C.
Yeah, and vitamin D. Double dose of vitamin D.
Kasi hindi
Pag
tayo
winter.
nasisinaga ng araw. Ay, side note, kasi parang hindi naniniwala yung friends or like whatever relatives and friends in the Philippines na madilim talaga here. I was like, guys, kailangan ko mag-double dose ng vitamin D
Yes.
para hindi ako todo seasonal depression.
Yeah, parang 2,000. I take 2,000 a day.
Yeah.
And that's recommended by the doctor because
Madilim
coming from Asia nga daw, our bodies are used to it. So,
to the sun.
to the sun, and medyo ilang beses lang siya mag-hello dito.
Oo. This last 2 weeks for 2 weeks, walang araw. Siguro yesterday, medyo nagpakita siya ng slight. Pero,
Grabe, sa kasagsagan naman ng trabaho, Bel. Lalabas ba ako doon, diba? May araw. Paaraw ako saglit dyan. So, medyo mahirap talaga
Yeah.
siya. But, we got by. We're getting by.
we're getting by.
And that's a great thing. After many years, masasabi mo pa bang na homesick ka?
I can say yes, but not as wild as before. Yung feelings ko parang kalma na now and kaya ko na siyang i-manage, yung FOMO. Pero hindi na siya as wild as before. I think now, mas okay na ako. Natanggap ko na yung fact na, okay, hindi ka uuwi every year kasi ang gastos. Or, you can also celebrate Christmas with other people here where you are and with yourself and with, our community. Parang, hindi naman super. I think, actually, ang namimiss ko talaga is the food.
Food talaga, big factor, no?
Food talaga kasi, nakakamiss talaga Jollibee. Baka naman.
Bukas na kayo sa Germany.
Yeah. Ikaw?
That's true. It's a mix I think depende. Depende. Because as I said, we go home every year. And then, I think I've managed to also not be as homesick because I'm also busy making parang
Right.
Christmas memories for our little family. So I guess
Right.
I could say that depende na lang sa mood ko. Maybe no November, homesick ba ako or no? So I think hindi na siya as wild as before kasi nga busy naman talaga.
Right.
To the weeks leading up to Christmas and also like the season itself, preparing to make things special for my kid. And I think yun naman din yung,
Yeah.
at least it's the magic of Christmas for me now. It took on a different meaning because nga, I'm a mother.
You're a mother.
I'm Mother
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, sorry, naisip ko lang. The other difference na naisip ko lang now, and it's very, very minor, Advent calendar.
Oh, di yan minor, girl. Now business na yan, ha?
No, sa Pilipinas?
No, before. Now, meron na rin konti-konti doon kasi dito lang yan eh.
Wow.
But now, syempre capitalism. Ang dami na, but I love it.
Oo.
Gusto ko yun sa mga beauty brands na mga,
Consumerism.
talaga, beauty
Right.
brands na Advent calendar. But, again, you could do it also by yourself.
That's true.
You like it? Do you like this concept of like,
I
ayan
don't
pala.
do it.
Oh, girl. I'm gonna tell you, being a parent also here in Germany, wild din yung dami ng celebrations nila leading to Christmas. May Nicolaus tag. Yun yung si Saint Nicolaus goes to the house, puts, the kids should like, clean their shoes day before. So, si Nicolaus comes bearing like, giving them gifts, chalkies, etc. So, that's one. And that's on December 6th. And there's another thing, like yung Advent calendar, imagine starts from December 1. So you have to choose wisely. For us, ang ginawa
Right.
namin, we do our own shared Christmas Advent calendar. We put in activities, we put in like, I don't know, small things na hindi lang nagfo-focus on having chocolates and having gifts. So little stuff all together. Para as a whole family activity siya.
That's nice.
We do craft sometimes,
That's
whatever.
cute.
So, I think I started that last year, and then this year slowly, we were continuing it, and then Christmas. daming ganap sa mga bata. So, iba yung ingay ng Pasko sa Pilipinas for kids. But dito din, iba din
Right.
yung activities. Diyos ko,
Yeah.
kapagod talaga.
That's true.
Grabe. Ang dami talagang activities. But at least, end of the year, we could relax and all that. And by this time, the episode's out. You're in Portugal, you said, right?
Yeah.
I hope you're having a Merry Christmas.
Thank you. You too, in Manila.
Yes, for sure. Doon ako
For sure.
magle-lechon this. And everyone else listening, happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
And maybe see you again in the new year.
In the new year.
Bye!
Bye.